Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SUNSOUL Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor with Tire Repair Kit. There are features include Tire Repair and Inflation Kit. The SUNSOUL Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor combines fast inflation with essential flat tire repair tools in one compact kit. When a puncture leaves you stranded, simply seal the hole with the included tire repair nails and re-inflate all without removing the tire. This all-in-one roadside emergency kit includes a 150 psi cordless air compressor, 10 screw-in tire repair rubber nails, 4-way valve core tool, 4 replacement valve cores, 4 valve core caps, screwdriver, Type-C charging cable, and 4 nozzle adapters, everything organized in a durable protective storage case. Flat tire quick repair. Unlike traditional rope plug kits that require reaming tools and significant physical effort, our tire repair nails can be installed in seconds using only the included screwdriver. Just locate the puncture, remove the debris, and screw the rubber nail directly into the hole. The self-tapping threads create a mechanical compression seal that holds firm under tire pressure, while the outer rubber sleeve fuses with the tire for enhanced airtightness. The included 4-way valve core tool lets you remove and replace leaking valve cores, rethread damaged valve stems, and ream valve seats, addressing the most common causes of slow tire leaks. Fast inflation. The 150 psi portable air compressor delivers powerful airflow to inflate a standard car tire, 195/65R15, from 30 to 36 psi in approximately 1 minute. The built-in digital pressure gauge provides real-time readings with high-precision sensor technology, while the auto shut-off function stops inflation automatically at your preset pressure. No overinflation, no guesswork. Choose from 4 preset modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and 4 pressure units, PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter, for effortless operation. The cordless design with Type-C charging means you can inflate anywhere without needing a power outlet. Compact, cordless and road-ready. Weighing under 2 pounds with dimensions of just 7.67 x 4.33 x 3.93 inches, this portable tire inflator fits easily in your trunk, under a car seat, or in a backpack. The built-in LED light provides illumination for nighttime roadside repairs, featuring flashlight and SOS modes for added safety in low-light conditions. Every component has a dedicated slot in the protective storage case, keeping tools secure, organized, and rattle-free. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or heading off-road, this compact kit ensures you're always prepared for the unexpected. Versatile compatibility. This tire inflator and repair kit works with a wide range of vehicles and inflatables, including cars, SUVs, light trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, e-bikes, and sports balls. The 4 included nozzle adapters handle different valve types and inflation needs. With 10 rubber repair nails and 4 replacement valve cores, you're equipped for multiple roadside repairs, not just one. The Type-C charging cable charges conveniently from any USB power source, car charger, or power bank. An essential addition to any vehicle's emergency preparedness kit, ideal for daily drivers, road trip enthusiasts, ride-share drivers, and anyone who wants peace of mind on the road. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.